everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siska Aprilia from the Faculty of Economics and Business, majoring in accounting at the Persada Indonesia YAI University. This video was made to fulfill the 6 tasks that given by Mr. Budiantoro as an English lecturer, and today I want to explain about travel regulation. As the COVID-19 pandemic situation in Indonesia has shown improvement, the Indonesian government has relaxed the travel restriction by allowing a number of foreign travel groups to enter Indonesia. The following foreign travelers may enter Indonesia under the new regulation: diplomatic and official visa holders, diplomatic and official stay permit, holders of Indonesia temporary resident card KITAS, and Indonesia permanent resident card KITAP. Visitor visas, including but not limited to 211 visa, A visa, 211B visa. Limited stay visa, including but not limited to C312 visa, C313 visa, C314 visa, C316 visa, C317 visa. All non-immigrant crew members or cabin crews arriving any vessel or aircraft from any port of place outside Indonesia. Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, APAC, business travel card holders, and traditional border cross pass and card holders. Effective October 14, 2021, the Indonesian government has reopened Indonesia for international tourists. Only citizens of the following 19 countries are able to enter Indonesia on tourist or limited stay visas, including but not limited to Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, New Zealand, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, China, India, Japan, South Korea, Liechtenstein, Italy, France, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, Poland, Hungary, and Norway. All international tourists may only enter Indonesia via Bali Ngurah Rai International Airport and Orior Island, Raja Haji Visabilillah International Airport. To enter Indonesia, they are required to have the following: international health insurance with minimum coverage of $100 USD, including but not limited to COVID-19 related treatment and hospitalization in Indonesia, and hotel reservation and payment. PCR test requirement update. To enter Indonesia, all travelers are required to present a negative COVID-19 PCR test, which sample has collected within 72 hours of their departure. Please see COVID-19 testing center below the more information about COVID-19 testing. Some transit countries, such as Singapore, require shorter sample COVID or PCR test than that of the regular requirement. Per September 9, 2021, Singapore authorities required all travelers to have COVID or PCR test obtained within 48 hours prior to departure. Please visit the transit country official authority website or consult with respective airline for more information. COVID-19 vaccination registration. The Indonesia government will require international travelers to register their COVID-19 vaccination here prior to travel. You will receive a verification email as soon as your COVID record has been verified. You will get a verification email within 3 business days. If you are Indonesian citizen and have to gotten the full COVID-19 vaccination overseas, the vaccination record will be verified by Indonesian Ministry of Health. Please provide your NIC upon the registration. The COVID-19 vaccination online registration will allow you to dine in or enter public premises and travel with public transportation on intra-island in Indonesia. Quarantine information. Effective July 6, 2021, all international travelers are required to undergo a mandatory 5-day quarantine at designated facilities conducted by Indonesian government at their own expense. The number of quarantine days may change without further notice as the pandemic situation in Indonesia may change from time to time. The quarantine must be undergone at the entry point for facilities in Jakarta and Surabaya. 2 PCR tests will be administered during this period before release from quarantine. Those 2 tests will be administered on the first day and on the fourth day after arrival. If you are tested positive, you will be referred to designated Indonesia hospital or health facility conducted by Indonesian government and your own expense. Foreign national travel protocol intending to leave Indonesia. For foreign national who have to gotten a COVID-19 should and wish to leave Indonesia via a domestic connecting flight, they will be exempted from COVID-19 vaccination requirement provided that they have a special transit clearance from the local port health office or authority. Having the clearance, all foreign travelers shall not leave the airport during transit. To have the clearance, all foreign travelers shall provide a valid passport and itinerary and present them to the port authorities upon check-in. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope it will be useful for all of you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.